Hi all, welcome to my YouTube channel. And this channel is basically for kids actually, and I have been uploading my baby's videos here, and I hope you find them funny and I hope you like them. And today I am making this video to share with you my COVID experience. I have been tested COVID positive on 7th of May 2021, and with me my father, my mother and my husband all were tested COVID positive, and my baby luckily was not COVID positive. So and we were following all the doctor's prescription for medicines. So from day one I have been following doctor's prescription for medicine, the antibiotics and vitamins. Symptoms for me was fever, chills and sore throat, loss of smell. For my mother it was fever and cough, and yeah, for me too the cough was there. And for my father, he was not having any symptoms. And then comes my husband. So the infection for my husband was a bit severe, and he got admitted to hospital because his lungs were infected. So yeah, unfortunately that was really unfortunate. I'll just count on the mistakes which I think I have done in the entire quarantine period. My father is 60 plus and he's diabetic, but he was not having any symptoms of COVID. He was not having temperature, he was not having any cough, no chills, nothing. He was all fine. And from day one we have been testing his oxygen level, the temperature, and we could not see any variation. So and the doctor was also fine with all the symptoms. And that was mistake number one. If you are 60 plus and if you are COVID positive and you are diabetic too, then you should check on your health. Basically includes your lungs, and get your lung tested with your CT scan or X-ray. Even if the doctor doesn't prescribe, but with your self-awareness you can go for a CT scan or a X-ray for your lung. Mistake number two. So my husband, when he started getting symptoms, we thought it is general viral, or just because of work and stress he is getting tired and he is feeling sick, though he was not getting temperature. But later on when he was having fever, and it was really late, I mean it was his symptoms started around 3-4 days, and after 5 days he got himself tested. So mistake number two, we ignored the symptoms, and the result is he got admitted to hospital and the lungs were infected. Mistake number three is so when my husband was getting symptoms, he came to our house for a visit, right? So we did not follow the isolation rules. We thought it's just a mere tiredness, or because of work he's facing fatigue. So he was moving around, and he was taking my baby also. So any of your friends or family who is having minor symptoms or any symptoms of COVID, right? So immediately isolate him or her so that it doesn't get spread, which was a very a huge mistake for in our case. So I would like to share the things which I have been following during my entire quarantine period, which I believe has helped my speedy recovery. So starting from day one, I was doing my gargles, so 10 times a day with lukewarm water and with a pinch of salt in it. So this has helped me a lot with the cough and with the sore throat. Okay. Secondly, I was keeping myself away from the cold stuffs. I was not taking head bath for at least 7 to 10 days, so that my fever comes down and I can recover quickly. The doctor will also suggest you to keep your fever on check. So whenever your fever is getting high, just take paracetamol whenever. Just don't let your fever increase. Like, don't wait for it to get increased. Yeah, and also there is no special mention of how to take care of your baby during the COVID period. So as per my pediatrician, he suggested no special technique or method to take care of it. It's very simple. Just take care of your baby, breastfeed and everything like you always do. So there is no harm in that. And yeah, so by God's grace everything will be fine. And yeah, I recovered from my COVID actually quickly. But unfortunately my husband, he took time because we did some negligence earlier, and because of the precautions which I took, and I have mentioned like drinking hot water, not taking head bath, and gargling, and taking paracetamol every now and then. So this checks were really helpful for me. And on eighth day, ninth day, I was recovering. I was recovering very quickly, and I had a quarantine period of 14 days. And 13th, 12th, 13th day, I was perfectly fine. I was doing well enough. And yeah, so this is all my COVID story, and I'm happy to share with you the experience. And I hope this will reach out to you, and maybe it can help you in some way or the other. And don't worry, and God is there, so He's watching us. Testing times, but yeah, everything will fall in place. That's it. I hope, I wish all of you very best. Thank you.